If you've ever shot a video and later realized it was blurry, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a blurry video clear using CapCut's AI-powered enhancement tools. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to transform those frustrating, fuzzy clips into crisp, professional-looking footage, all inside CapCut. Let's dive right in and get that video looking its best. First, we'll need to open up CapCut and bring your blurry video into the workspace. Go ahead and launch CapCut on your computer or mobile device. Then import the video file you want to fix. Just drag it onto the timeline or use the import menu. This way, every change you make is happening directly to the clip you're working on, so you have complete control and can see results in real time. Once your video is in the timeline, click to select the clip. This highlights your footage and tells CapCut which part you want to improve. It might sound like a small step, but it's very important to select the correct clip, so the program knows exactly where to apply its powerful AI magic. Now, let's look for the enhancement tools. If you're using CapCut on your computer, glance over to the right-hand panel. There, under the Video tab, you'll see Basic Settings. Scroll through these options until you find something labeled Enhance Quality or Image Enhancement. On the mobile app, you'll find similar tools, usually under the Adjust button or within the Smart Tools section. The interface might look a bit different depending on whether you're on a PC or your phone, but don't worry, the functionality is the same. If you don't see it right away, give yourself a moment to explore. Sometimes it's tucked away in an extra menu. Once you've spotted those enhancement options, you'll get to choose how much improvement you want. Most versions of CapCut will let you pick a level of enhancement, like HD or even UHD. Set it to HD if you want a safe, all-purpose upgrade, or try UHD for the sharpest look, especially with heavily blurred footage. When you select your level, CapCut will use its built-in AI technology to process your video, analyzing each frame, sharpening edges, and cleaning up details. This might take a few moments, especially if your video is long or if you're using a higher setting. Be patient and let the software do its thing. Think of it like reviving an old photograph. The AI scans for what should be in focus and tries to intelligently reconstruct lost details. After the AI has finished enhancing, check the preview right away. You'll notice your video now looks dramatically clearer and more detailed. On a free version of CapCut, you can preview how these changes look, but to actually export and keep the improved footage, you'll need a Pro subscription. If you do have CapCut Pro, just click Export and save your new, sharp video to your device. If you're still on the free version, this could be a good time to consider upgrading if you find the results worth it, especially if you work with video a lot and value that extra polish. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks and the power of CapCut's AI tools, you can rescue blurry videos and turn them into clear, shareable content. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or want to see more editing tips. Don't forget to subscribe if you're looking to get the most out of your video projects. There's plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching and happy editing.